Scrunchy with Kate, and I am going to do a quick, just full fridge clean out, get rid of all the leftovers that are hanging out in there. I have been doing a few different protocols with my diet, so I am on a very clean diet at this point, and there are just things that are sitting in there that are causing clutter, and it's time to just get rid of it. Get rid of anything that is not being used, that's been sitting in there for a week or two. You never know what's in the back of the refrigerator, right? So we're gonna get in to my fridge and clean it out and get it nice and organized. Unloading everything, and everything's on the floor, on the counters, everywhere. And I'm just gonna wipe everything down with some cleaner and get it back to looking all fresh and new. We did it! Today was to get some systems in place. We're eating a lot more produce lately, and sometimes it just gets stuck in the bottom somewhere, or you don't have it cut up so it's not easily accessible. So I want to see what we have. I want to go through and chop some stuff up, get some stuff prepped and ready for our week. I gotta help her. I don't even know what that's from, but clearly a spill happened at some point, so that's why we do this. This is just a reminder that small things can make a big impact. Cleaning out the fridge, wiping down the drawers, getting leftovers out can just boost your mood so much as a mom, because we are constantly in a clutter-filled environment full of toys, and it will give you some sort of sense of control of your space and leave you feeling refreshed. That were random leftovers in the fridge, into the dishwasher. I'm just taking the celery and a few drops of dish soap and just rinsing it really good. the lemons in salad, like all of the vegetables we chop up for salad. Ideally, I want to get to a point where I chop all these up so it's easier to grab, but for today, that's as far as we're going. I have romaine here. Typically, we have romaine and spring mix. Okay, so I have the papaya, some cut up cantaloupe, a cucumber. Down here is going to be like for leftovers and just like the random things like yogurt or extra almond milk, some seltzer. I'm gonna keep our meat and stuff down here, meat and eggs, and then produce drawer. This is some zucchini, some peppers, just our staple vegetables. And then my second produce drawer has turned into a celery drawer because this is what, I go through a lot of it. This time I bought some from Walmart instead of Costco, so I just washed and rinsed everything off, so it should be ready to go. But that's it. There is a quick clean with me fridge update. It's so nice to just see everything in its place now and not total clutter and chaos, so I can see what we have. Get it back to looking all fresh and new.
We did it!